Hi, it's Erica from G2 Marketing and Events, and I am here to talk to you about a little tip and trick about Wi-Fi and your internet connection. So as we are running virtual events, we have noticed that a lot of people get very confused and anxious and frustrated when it comes to their internet connection. So as you're in your home and maybe your Wi-Fi, your connection is decent, or at that time you have, 12 children deciding to stream different videos. They're all on their computers, or you've got family and friends over. So all of that eats up your Wi-Fi. So what we suggest that you do is you take it back from them, right? So if you're on a video meeting or an event, or even just chatting with coworkers, you want to take your hard line and directly put it into your computer. That's going to ensure that you are taking the majority of the connection into your computer or laptop to make sure that your connectivity is working properly. Who cares if they yell and scream because now their movies or their videos have stopped? But it's all about you being able to connect properly and not have where it blips out. You kind of see that person, then you don't see them, they freeze. Oh yeah, I just did that on purpose. But things like that. So we definitely want to make sure that is a tip and trick that we are sharing with you today. And there's more to come. Thanks.